Okay, so what you have to do per Gempages dashboard looks pretty nice, pretty intuitive to work on in for different landing pages. But I thought that I'm gonna have to go here or here to change or to add or to first of all we want to remove the header and the footer, right? But I thought it's located here, but it's not. So where you have to go here. So if you click on here, you should find the CDS icon. Click on that, and then here you have a Shopify header theme, header and footer. So here, just check this. If it's checked, of course it's checked for you. Just uncheck this, and now you don't have a header and footer. I hope this short video saved you time, helped you learn something new, and if it did, just like this video, subscribe for more. I really appreciate it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and take care. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. And if you have more suggestions for the next video, for the next tutorial, let me know in the comments section.